Shuttered businesses, plunging markets, millions of people out of work. That's just the beginning of the economic toll of the coronavirus, an additional crisis coming on the heels of the pandemic.
It has an economic impact that will bring a recession that probably has no parallel in the recent past.
With the health crisis in full swing, countries and international bodies are using wide-ranging strategies to mitigate the worst outcomes. In the United States, Hong Kong, Canada, and elsewhere, some government funds are going directly into the hands of the public. One-off or recurring payments to individuals are meant to help families meet their immediate needs and provide relief to struggling businesses, though some economists warn that little spending will take place during lockdowns. In India, direct assistance is even more fundamental, aimed at keeping millions from starving, as isolation measures block workers from earning daily wages.
We are looking at both cash transfer as one set of measures, and another set of measures will be food security related. We do not want anyone to remain hungry, so we will be giving enough to take care of their food.
Government stimulus plans are also targeting distressed businesses with a combination of loans, compensation for payroll costs, and tax breaks. Italy, the country in Europe worst affected by the coronavirus, approved an emergency package on April 6th.
Vi annuncio con il decreto appena approvato diamo liquidità immediata per 400 miliardi di euro alle nostre imprese, che siano piccole, medie, grandi.
A number of EU countries have called on the bloc to issue joint debt, dubbed Corona bonds, to help finance relief efforts, but without success. But the bloc's leaders agreed to a package to help keep workers employed in the immediate term, part of some $2.9 trillion, that's trillion with a T, earmarked for crisis response.
We are introducing a new proposal to kind of preserve the vibrant heart of the European economy, and this is its skilled workforce. The Commission will provide loans to those member states that need them to strengthen their short-time work schemes.
Central banks in many countries are easing their monetary policy to make credit cheaper. The United States, Great Britain, South Korea, and several others have slashed interest rates to strengthen economic activity. Some businesses are allowed to delay tax payments, and some countries have put a hold on consumers' mortgage payments. And the International Monetary Fund, sometimes called the lender of last resort, says it has $1 trillion available to support governments' efforts.
We at the IMF are mobilizing strongly, working together with the World Bank and other international financial institutions, bringing the world together to provide protection against this crisis. We have $1 trillion war chest, and we are determined to use as much as necessary in that protecting the economy from the scarring of this crisis.
The coronavirus pandemic is likely to have economic aftershocks for months or years. The steps taken now have the potential to alleviate the harshest outcomes.